In this series, we're reviewing our recommended apps in Setapp. For this video, we're going to be looking at an app called NotePlan 3. It's an app that works on your Mac, your iPhone, and your iPad, and it enables you to manage your tasks, your calendar, and even add in some notes all in one place. It's been compared to the digital bullet journal system, or for those that like to manage their calendar visually. Alright, so let's jump into the app. Now, the awesome thing about this is it uses your native calendars and your native reminders built into the app. So on the left here, we have calendar notes. On the right here, we actually have our calendar, which shows our day. And then we can get started with some tasks. And this is super simple. It's all markdown based, which is awesome. So I'll type in like a heading. So we'll say like shopping. And then for that, I can say buy the milk, get some cheese, and go to the store. And on the left here, we have this handle which you can grab and pull, and that rearranges all of the items in your list. And it's kind of like the bullet journal type of way of doing it. So if I wanted to, I could click on this arrow here and say, okay, move to today, move to tomorrow, complete a task, or cancel a task. Or I could choose what day I want to forward this to. So let's say that I decided today I don't want to buy cheese. I want to do that tomorrow. I can click on move to tomorrow. And if I click on that, it'll go to that instance. To complete a task, just click on the circle here and it will mark it as done. Now, if you notice on the right hand side here, there is a calendar. So let's go ahead and add another task. We'll say create YouTube video and we'll do it from 5 p.m. and then put dash 7 p.m. The nice thing about that is then it will stretch out on your calendar and show you what you have to do. So then after that, you could say edit the video from 7 p.m. until 9 p.m. and it'll put that task there too. There's a good book called Make Time that shows how you can time block your day and be able to visually see your calendar. This app supports that concept. For me, this is where it's really worth it. I like to see what I have for a day and visually plan out things, and this app lets you 100% do that. As the app has full calendar support, I can click here in the calendar itself, and let's say I want to set an event, so I can say meet with friends for dinner, and then I can set a start time, end time, just like any other calendar. But when I create this, it will also sync back to the calendar that I have synced with NotePlan. Or I can create it as a reminder and it will go into the reminders app on my phone too, which is just so nice. After you've added your tasks in bullet journal style at the end of the day, we want to go ahead and archive those. So we'll click on this menu here and we'll choose archive process tasks. So that moves them and categorizes them into done, moved, and then it'll leave the items at the top to kind of highlight, hey, here's what's still open for today. And then you could move those too if you wanted to. On the left here are projects and tasks. So let's go ahead and create a new project. We'll call it gardening. And then inside of that, you could go ahead and type in notes with a dash. You could say, you can add in new notes by typing dash and then space, and that creates a new bullet. There's also asterisk for making it a task. And just like on calendar notes, we can go ahead and reference this menu and we can say move to today, move to tomorrow, or we can set a date. So we'll say like the 20th, and that will be moved to that date. And then if I click on that date, it'll reference back to our list. And here we have references where it shows, okay, this is under the gardening project that's been assigned for today. Be sure to go to the library for gardening books. That's how to set up projects and be able to add in notes inside of the application. It's very flexible to kind of organize the way you want. This application is perfect for people that are Apple users. If you want to sync things via the cloud, it's all text-based, which is great. And it's plain text, which I love, and has markdown support for formatting. It allows you to be able to manipulate your tasks and your to-do items in a really flexible bullet journal type way. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for tech videos diving into more tips on other Setapp apps, productivity hacks, and everything tech. I'll see you on the next one.